Is that right?
She got tired.
Odin's first day in his area. Odin's first day in his area. Not sure what to make of this stuffed animal. Oh, is that right? Odin! Odin! Yes? Hey! Shh, 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 shh. Odin! Odin! This is just an animal. You can get it. It won't hurt you. See? You can just get it.
Oh my God. So cute.
Hey, it's giving him something to do.
That's so cute.
It is darling. Good choice, Mom.
And this is gonna be big, huh? What
Yeah. He's going to be bigger than Zoe.
Oh my gosh. You kidding?
No. She's only 7 weeks old. Kiwi. Shh, 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 shh. Oh, you got him. You got him by his tail. Look at how cute. Gives him something to do.
I can't believe it.
Before he didn't know what to do with himself. Now he's got a toy.
No time there is a,
Well, hopefully he doesn't rip it to pieces.
I hope it doesn't tear up pieces.
Yeah. That's a sharing toy, huh, Aiko? I mean, Tippy. Oh, now he's picking it up and carrying it. Before he was afraid to touch it. Okay. That's so cute.
Yeah. Let me go.
Okay.